commuters explore train as an alternative due to increasing transport fares. We are here at the Achimota train station to talk to some of the rail passengers. Where did you board the train from?
I joined it from Adogon, Nungwa to Tessan. Wherever you join, it charges 5 cedis. But when I bring my car, I pay 200 cedis. So the train is better than bringing a car.
So tell us, how safe is the train compared to other means of transportation?
Yeah, it's safe. It's safe. Only that the problem we are facing is that the coaches should be many. At least they should add 1 or 2 coaches. But it leaves so many people behind.
Where did you join the train from?
From Bachuna.
And to where?
I'm going to Accra. See, due to high transportation costs, the train is a means of transport that makes maybe traveling easier. So that's why we bought the train from our place to Accra. And due to the high transportation costs, the train will make everything simple. The fare of the train is, there are 2. First class is 7 cedis and second class is 5 cedis. And when I take a car, a normal transport from Spintex to Accra, I pay 10 cedis. But when I bought the train to Accra, it is just 5 cedis or 7 cedis, any of them that you can afford, and it is cheaper than normal commercial cars.
Normally, when you pick car, how much do you pay from Bachona to Accra?
Yeah, the fare for the train is 5 cedis. When I pick car, I pay 10 cedis for GoTro. I can see that the train is a little bit safer than car because the car, these Okada boys and the other guys try to ride the motor rough, crossing the cars and the others. So if you are in the train, it's just one real route. No Okada can be around here. So I think comparatively, the train is safer than the car.
You know, I always have to drive the entire from Spintex through the Labadi Road to the Accra Central, but the traffic was really massive as compared to using the train. So when I heard the train is working, I decided to join. When I'm coming to Accra, personally I drive myself, so mostly I buy fuel for the week. It was like 350 a week. But then the train mostly is 7 cedis. I use the VIP, so it's 7 cedis in, 7 cedis out, so roughly 14 cedis.
Reporting for Ghana District TV, I am Obiniwa Danso Susan.